Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. Regular Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, April the 17th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, one regular puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the binary and the 4-star Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, it's today war day number 784. 784 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. All right. 4-star Sudoku number 8376. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has actually 24 printed digits. Yeah. Usually the 4-star puzzle has 24 printed digits. It's kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s. We have here 2 2s. We have here 2 3s. We have here 1 4. We have here 2 5s. 1 2 3 4 6s. Alright. 2 7s. 4 8s. Okay. And 3 9s. So the 6 and the 8s are a majority. Can I start with the 6 and 8s? Yes. We have a 6 and 8 in the first column, 6 and 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 6 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. And look, we have 6 and 8 in this row, no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Alright, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. And here could be the 8, okay. 6, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in this row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1, 3, and a 4. Then let me see. 5, 9, and the 1. We have here 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place level 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this row. So no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this row. For the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. And now, 4 and the 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in the 6, we have 8 in the last row. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, we have all the 8s, and all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. Alright, and now 4, 5, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 6. One box left in this row for the man. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 1, 1. Then, let me see. Need 3 here. 7, 9, 7, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in this row. No 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. So 2 numbers left in this big square. One was the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1 was the 1, the 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright, now. 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 9. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9. There's the only place left for the 9 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, the 7, 2, and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 and the 4, we have a 7 now in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5. And look, we have 2 in this row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 2 in this big square should be there. So the 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, now. Let me see. 7. And I need a 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have 4 and 5 in the middle column, so no 4 and 5 in this box. 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. So 1 digit left in this big square. Number 3. Alright. 7, okay. And now. Let me see. What about a 2 here? Need a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the first row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 4 in this third column, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then 8, 6, 7. Yeah, we need a 7. Yeah, 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The only place left is 7 should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 5 goes there. 1, no. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5, okay. Let me see. Okay, we have a 7 there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, first row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the 3, we have a 7 now in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 7. Okay. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 5. Okay. So the 1, the 9, and the 6. Alright. 4 in this row. 4 in the third row. So the row between. Second row now, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left with 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column. So no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place level 3 should be there. And I've eliminated there the 5. So the 5 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So the third row, only place level 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8. 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finishes in 30 minutes. Well, this is getting easier and easier with those 3 stars, 4 stars puzzle. Not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 stars. It's a 0 stars puzzle because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So, well, please rate the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.